How to connect Payoneer to eBay account. What is up, guys? In today's tutorial, we're going to look at a quick and easy way to streamline your payment via Payoneer on your eBay. Now, in order to do that, you first have to open up your web browser and go to the search bar, search for ebay.com and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. So once you log in, you will be able to see this My eBay dropdown on the right side of your screen. Just hover your mouse over this and you'll find multiple options here. You want to head over to the selling tab where sellers manage all of their account settings, including the payment methods. So once you land on this page, on the left hand side of your screen, you'll find the selling option. So click on this drop down. And then from there, you want to head over to the payment method. Since you want to connect to Payoneer, you first have to head over to payments. If you haven't already added any payment method, you should be able to add any cards or different accounts to connect to your eBay account. So one of the main ways you can do this is by clicking on this add button. You can do a check for the payment method for checkouts or auctions and offers. Select any one of these. And once you have done that, click on continue. Now you'll get multiple options here with credit or debit card, PayPal, or Venmo. And with all of this, you will also have an option for Payoneer if it's available on your region. So if you have already added your payment method, it should show you something like this along with your Payoneer ID. And if you click on it, you can click on Add Payout Method right here. And then you can select Payoneer as your payment method. Now just click on it and then click on continue and you should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you connect your Payoneer account with your eBay account. Now following this, you will be asked to log into your Payoneer account. Just make sure to include all of your details, make sure everything is correct. And after logging into your Payoneer account, your eBay and Payoneer account should be connected with each other. So that is basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.